Hi everyone, I am from Brolly Academy. My name is Jayesh. I recently joined a Brolly Academy in Generative AI course. I completed my Python training, so I developed a web page using Python. Web page tells about the fee details of our Brolly Academy. I used tools if condition and function sets and grid interface for my web publication. My object of my project is the application develops to know the course fee of our Brolly Academy. Here is the logic code. First of all, I define the course as course. And then I used if conditions. If course is equal to generative AI, the fee will be 25,000 plus 500. Like I mentioned all the courses using if else. At last, I returned the course and fees. Here is the source code. I imported a grid as a GR, and then I created an interface. Like a title is Brolly Academy, Best Software Training Academy, and input and output and examples like which courses we have in our academy. Here is the output. If you enter which course, you have to select the course of different course and submit, and it will display the fee structure. Firstly, I imported grid as GR, and then I defined the course fees, course and full payment, and then basics fees is equal to gen. And then I assigned the fees according to the courses. I had used the sets to avoid the duplicates, and then I used if else statements to return the fee structure. Then I used if conditions. If we give a course, then we'll get the registration fees and base amount and total fees plus 18% GST. If we do the full payment, we'll get the discount of 5%. And we can have calculations like a total fee with GST minus discount. We have to enter the course, then base fees, then registration fees, then GST will be added. Then GST, fee minus 5% discount, and final amount will be returned. If else we did not pay, if we pay in installments, we'll not get a 5% discount. We'll get only course fees, base fees, registration fees, and GST and total fees. Here is the output of my project. First, we have to select a course. I'm selecting Gen AI and submitting. See, you can see the fee details like course, generative AI fees 25,000 and registration fee 500, 18% discount, and total fees like 5% discount minus total fees. We will get the final amount. Thank you for giving me this opportunity.
మరిన్ని వీడియోస్ కోసం సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోండి Brolly Academy.